Thank you, Oliver. What an incredible security demo. I hope you all enjoyed it. And thank you, Lacework, for coming here to present. Software is the most creative, powerful medium of our time. And building great software has never been more complex. At New Relic, we understand that complexity. You've seen today how we bring all the data you need together to help you understand this increasingly complex landscape, to act on it with data-driven insights on our incredibly powerful platform. In fact, some customers, not naming names, have told us that our platform is so powerful it's sometimes a little tricky to navigate or even understand. And it's true. I agree with you. So we're going to make it simpler, more customizable, and more collaborative. So I'd like to show you, our most important customers, a sneak peek of the next version of New Relic and invite you to join us in shaping the future of our developer platform. Let's take a look. All right, so you can see right away, we've got a super familiar, easy to understand left rail navigation. That makes it super easy to navigate through the system and always understand where you are. But what's really great about this approach, because it's so familiar, it also gives you the opportunity to make your data the hero by tucking away the sidebar and giving your important data more real estate. I really love this mode of navigation because it still allows me to see what everything is, and yet I've got more room. In addition to this new navigation on the left, we've also organized all the capabilities in New Relic together on our All Capabilities page, so you can easily see all the different things that New Relic has to offer. And because we're a platform, you can even create your own new capabilities, which will be listed for everybody in your organization. It's super easy to get started, and you can add this to your New Relic account. Now, I don't know if any of you have had a chance to look at our new service levels capability. I love this. It's amazing. And so I always find myself navigating to this page. And I can get there from all capabilities. That's pretty easy. But since I go there so often, wouldn't it be great if I could just make this part of my nav? So there it is. Now it's just one click away. And even better, like let's say I'm not really a mobile dev, so I don't really pay too much attention to what's happening there in my company. So I can clean up my interface and unpin the items that I don't use as often. Now what's important here to recognize is that you can think of the left rail as just the shortcuts to those applications you use the most, but all of those capabilities are always going to be available to you on this All Capabilities page. All right, next we're going to look at how we've improved the add data experience. So I'll click here. And what we've done here is simplified all the different ways that you can get started with New Relic. Between our add data experience, our I/O quick starts, we've created one unified experience that helps you get started more easily. So as you can see here, there are 674 quick starts that are available. And just like our capabilities page, this is an extensible platform with open source solutions that you can contribute to. So if you want to create your own way of onboarding some of your developers within your organization, you can do that and add it to this catalog. In this example, I'll show you how easy it is to get started instrumenting a Kubernetes cluster. And if you haven't done this recently, you'll love our improved, simplified experience. So I'll open this up. All I have to do is pick a name for my cluster. And then I can make several selections, such as if I want to scrape all my Prometheus endpoints or gather log data, I can set that up with just a couple of clicks. And once I go through there, it gives me exactly the right command that I can copy and paste into a terminal and get started. So it's that easy. Now we said that we wanted to make it simpler, we wanted to make it more personalized, and we also make New Relic more collaborative. Now, let me show you how we make it more collaborative. On every page of New Relic, we're adding a new collaboration capability that we call discussions. So I can pop this frame open and discuss any page within the service. So you hear we're looking at some log data, and some of my teammates are going back and forth discussing what they're looking at. And what's great about this is you can have the discussion right alongside the data. So everybody's going to know exactly what you're talking about. You can even capture screenshots and share them. Because most of our customers tell us what they do in this scenario is they're going to take a screenshot of their entire New Relic screen and then go paste it over in Slack. Well, this improves upon that in 2 ways. Number one, it does sync to Slack, and it does sync to Microsoft Teams. So now you'll be able to leverage your existing communication tools and share to any channel you want, but you can also see it within New Relic. So let's take a look at what it looks like over in Slack. You can see here that this post has been shared along with a screenshot, and my teammates can either reply directly in Slack, or they can click this link to open it up back in New Relic and join me here. So this is great because there's only one conversation thread, and it appears in both places, totally synced. And the second improvement is that unlike Slack, we've all used it, right? Those conversation threads will flow by and you'll never see them again. What's great about this is we're giving you a home for all of your conversations. So if we're talking about logs on this log page, you'll still see that thread. And we're even giving you an overview of all the discussions that are happening across all the different pages on New Relic, so you can capture all of that institutional knowledge. And this is great, especially for new engineers on your team, so that they can get started and come up to speed about how you're using New Relic. So we're super excited about these new capabilities. All right, so what are we doing? We're making it easier for you by making New Relic a simpler interface. And that simpler interface, you're going to love your out-of-the-box experience. It's so much easier to get started, to get to your data more quickly, and address your critical needs. We're making it more personalized, so you can customize your user interface, whatever your job function or tech stack. And we're making New Relic more collaborative. As you heard John say, software development is a team sport, and our new discussions feature are available on every page of New Relic. They automatically sync to Slack and Microsoft Teams, and they capture your institutional knowledge. So when a service fails, you'll very easily be able to see what you did last time to fix it. So we love this new interface, but it's more important that you all love it too. So we're asking you to participate, if you'd like, to give us some feedback. And so the way you can do that is go to the New Relic website and click on your headshot in the upper right-hand corner. And when you do, we'll let you know in the coming days when we can turn it on for your account. We're really looking forward to getting all of your feedback on this simplified interface to make New Relic faster, easier to use, and more productive for every member of your team. Thank you very much.